What's up, you guys? I am with my mama and we are heading to HomeGoods. It's really exciting because I've actually been going there for as long as I can remember. It's always a trip that I go on with my mom, so she had to come with me for this video. This video is in partnership with HomeGoods, and they have tasked me with going to the store with you guys, finding some incredible goodies for back to school. I can't believe I'm already starting to think about back to school. In about a month, I'm gonna share with you how I styled it in my apartment on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram for that. But for today, we're gonna head over to the store, have some fun picking out some goodies, and then when I get home, we're gonna do a little haul and I'm gonna show you what I found. Guys,
Oh my god.
Christina, you work here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so nice to meet you.
I can't believe it. My face is so red.
Oh my god. Christina's gonna give us some insider info.
Okay, so if you come to HomeGoods to shop for your dorm, they have a bunch of selection and you can see it's all color coordinated. Some of my favorite brands are here and I don't have to pay for shipping, which is awesome. And I'm in college too, so I know that struggle. And you can come in here, shop with your parents or whoever, and it's all right here.
Guys, look at these. After being in college for 3 years, I can tell you this much: I cannot keep a plant alive for the life of me. So this is where fake plants come in handy. Okay, so we're in the lighting section. I feel like my room can get a little bit dark, so I'm gonna see if there's any desk lamps. I don't really need one, but walking around here, oh, there's a fan. I feel like in apartments and like houses, anything, dorms, you can never have enough lighting. So we're gonna see if there's anything. I don't have too much space on my desk, but kind of hard since I wasn't there last semester, since I was abroad. I don't really remember everything that was there. But so I asked my roommates if we need anything for the apartment, because I feel like you can come here and look for things, but then you also walk out with like a million other things. But the two things that they requested, the two things they requested are wine glasses, and I am gonna be 21 when I go back to school, so I'm just preparing in advance, and also a print or something for over our dining room table. So I'm gonna look if I like any of the prints here, because there's a pretty wide variety. Okay, this aisle has a lot of really cute throw rugs, and I really like a lot of them, so I'm gonna try to go through them and see if any of them work for my room or for the kitchen area. I actually really like this style. I was looking at this before. Like for my desk area, very professional of me, I feel. Got it. These organizers are my favorite. I always get stuck here. I think I'm gonna pick up this one. HomeGoods always has really good throw pillows, which is really fun. Just throw it on your bed and it will make it look better. I think I have a lot of black and white ones already, so if something catches my eye, it's all color coordinated. So there's warmer colors here, and then there's blues behind you guys. So I'm gonna look if there's anything that really catches my eye, I will get it, but I'm pretty stocked up in that department already. Found my wine glasses. Going through all of this selection, they have some crazy options, but I think I'm just gonna go with the basic. And my roommates are just gonna love me forever and owe me a glass of wine. We found the dog section, so I had to pick something up for Miss Rue. We found the perfect one, but it's gonna be a surprise for you guys, because it's gonna be a surprise for Miss Rue also, but it's perfect. We are all done. I'm really excited with what I picked up. Now I just have to wait to get back to school to style it, but we're gonna check out and then head home, and I'm gonna show you what I picked out. I got my cart, it's beautiful. Got my snacks. Also, my girl Christina I had to get these jelly bears. Okay, you guys, we are back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. The first thing I have to do is give Miss Rue her new toy. We have Rue here. So Rue is short for a lot of things. I told you guys one thing it's short for is Roosevelt because we're related to the Roosevelts, but another thing is kangaroos. Do you love it? HomeGoods actually had so many pet toys. Okay, let's get this out of the package for you. She loves her toy. Do you love your toy? Come here. So Rue gets her kangaroo. Yeah, it's your new toy. I think she loves it. All right, now that we got the dog toy out of the way, which is one of my favorite things, now I can move into some of the apartment stuff that I got. So I'm gonna go from biggest to smallest. So the biggest thing I got was actually the last thing I picked up, but I'm really excited for it. At my apartment in school, I have 3 other roommates. It's the same apartment that I'm living in this upcoming year that I did last year. Just one person is switching. And we have a common area, but the common area just was never comfortable. So I got us a rug. I absolutely love this. It's kind of gonna act as an area rug. It's not huge, so I can still drive with it, but I think it's gonna actually add something really great to our space, and we really needed this. Again, I was not expecting to go in and find a rug, but there we are. Another piece that I picked up for our common area, I told you guys we needed a piece for above our dining room table, so I found this and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a cork picture of New York City. I think most of us are gonna be ending up in New York, so what I love about this one is it comes with flag pins. So I thought as we start getting our jobs and internships or apartments, we can start pinning in the city where we are gonna be working. So I think this will be a really cute piece to have just as like a friend thing, and I think it goes really well with the rug. Another thing I got for the common area, but also kind of for my room, honestly wherever it ends up, is this throw blanket. I think this is so beautiful. It's really classy. It's kind of like a waffle pattern. It's very comfortable. The next piece that I got was this area rug. I showed you guys what it looked like in the store. I'm just really into this look right now. Next, for the common area, which my roommates are very excited about, is I got this 8-piece wine glass set. Super affordable. This whole thing was only $13, which is insane. Next, I got 2 things that I'm so excited about. I feel like every time I'm going into a HomeGoods, I'm always looking for organizational pieces, so I'm really happy with both of these. I got a clear one and then a gray plain one. I think I can definitely find uses for both of them. Again, both super affordable. Next, the first thing you guys saw me pick up were some beautiful fake plants. They had so many to choose from, but I ended up getting this one. I love the white flowers and this kind of like yarn. I think it's just really cute and classy. It's gonna look really good on my desk. Also, again, if I don't have space, I can just bring it out into the living area because I spend most of my time there anyways. So I texted my roommates and they're all very excited about everything. Last but certainly not least, I picked up 2 candles. This one is super cozy. It basically just smells like fall. It's called White Pumpkin, but it also just has a lot of like spices in them, spiciness. Was only $8. And then I had to get this. It's called Rugged Patchouli. Not sure what patchouli is, but it just, oh my god. I hope you guys had fun going to HomeGoods with me and looking at what I got. I always have so much fun whenever I go, so I was obviously really excited when they reached out to me. I can't wait to style this stuff in my apartment back at school, so make sure you stay tuned on my channel and my Instagram to see how all of this turns out and how it looks together. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.